Welcome back, friends. I'm Miss Robinson, and it's time to learn. Today, we're going to learn how to identify words that start with C. The letter C is a consonant, and it has two sounds. Sometimes it makes a sound like this, k, 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 and sometimes it makes a sound like this, s, s, s. It is so important that we know our letter sounds. This is going to help you to become a good reader, writer, and speller. Today, we're going to read a very special book from our Alphatales series. The reason why this book is so special is because it's full of words that begin with the letter C. So listen carefully, because when I'm done, I'll ask how many words you can find that begin with the letter C. Copycats, written by Maria Fleming, illustrated by Hans Wilhelm. Clyde and Cleo are cats. Copycats. I bet you can't do what I can do, says Clyde. I can too, says Cleo. I can do a cartwheel, says Clyde. Can you? I can too, says Cleo. I can ride a camel, says Cleo. Can you? I can too, says Clyde. I can bake a coconut cake, says Clyde. Can you? I can too, says Cleo. I can build a castle, says Cleo. Can you? I can too, says Clyde. I can grow carrots, corn, and cabbages, says Clyde. Can you? I can too, says Cleo. I can carry a cup of cocoa on my head, says Cleo. Can you? I can too, says Clyde. Look out for the car, yells Cleo. Clyde crashes into Cleo. The cups crash to the ground. Clyde looks at Cleo. Cleo looks at Clyde. They are both covered in cocoa. I can stop being a copycat, says Clyde. Can you? I can too, says Cleo. Now, how many things can you find that begin with the letter C? I can see Clyde. I see Cleo. I see a camel with a camera. I see a canoe. I see cups. I see cake. I see corn. I see a carrot. How many things can you find that begin with the letter C? What a great story. Thank you for being such good listeners, and I'll see you here next time. Bye.
With Miss Robinson.